This is Liberty. Liberty 1972 D. Very expensive, rare twin in the history of United States. 1972 just D, minted D. So this is the 1972 Liberty. 1972 Liberty. In God we trust. In God we trust. United States of America. Quarter dollar. And the price for this Liberty 1972 D is $800,000. $800,000. That is the price of this quarter dollar 1972. So this is quarter dollar of 1972, and the price is $800,000. A very expensive Liberty 1972. In God we trust. So the price is $800,000. If you want to own or buy this queen, cool or text +63 997 692 2374, or call Antonio Bacor of Purokpur, Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. This is the time that you can own this 1972 Liberty. So this is the current price of this is $800,000. If you want to buy this queen, please comment your price in the comment section so that you can have this queen. So please subscribe, please follow, comment, like, share, and download this in your comment section.